Let us look at the brief idea for solving BCH decoding problems. Here is one example where the generated polynomial is given and you have to find the correct code word if received code word is x raised to 5 plus x cube. They have given you the primitive polynomial x raised to 4 plus x plus 1. So first you have to find in such problems, first you have to find the matrix M. Here the matrix M is S1, S2, S3. Then start from S2, S2, S3, S4, then S3, S4, S5. Now this 3 is there because there is triple error. This is a triple error error correcting code. So you have to go from S1 to S3. If it is 4 error correcting, then you have to go up to 4. Here the term is, if there are 3 errors correcting code is there, so it is 3 into 2 minus 1. This term is 5, that is s raised to 5. So likewise this matrix is calculated. So how to find the elements in this matrix? So S1 is R alpha, Rx is x raised to 5 plus x cube, R alpha is alpha raised to 5 plus alpha cube. So S1 is this one. Now this is a Galois field 16. This is you have to use the elements and from the Galois field 16 because it is a 15,5 BCH code. So for that you have to use this table. This is all this you might have studied in cyclic codes or Galois field calculations. So the elements are 0, 1, alpha, alpha square, alpha cube, alpha raised to 4 is alpha plus 1. And likewise all these elements are computed. In this video I am not going to explain how these values are computed because then it will increase the time duration of this video. So in this video you will just get the idea about solving the BCH decoding problems. So S1 is computed by alpha raised to 5 is alpha square plus alpha, and alpha cube is alpha cube only. So alpha square plus alpha cube is alpha raised to 11. So and now S2 is R alpha square, S3 is R alpha cube, S4 is R alpha raised to 4. Likewise matrix M is found. Now we have to find the determinant of this matrix. You know how to find the determinant. This in bracket, this multiplied by this minus this multiplied by this. Likewise you can find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Now in this case this determinant is equal to 0. That means 3 errors are not occurred because they have given in the example this is a triple error correcting code. So first you have to assume that 3 errors has occurred and you have to find the determinant of M. If it is 0, that means 3 errors not occurred. Then you have to go for 2 errors. For 2 errors again you have to compute the matrix M. So 2 errors, so 2 is here. 2 means 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, so 3 is there. So S1, S2, S2, S3. So this is 2 by 2 M matrix. Then all these values are already computed, which is placed here in this matrix, and determinant is found. Now in this case determinant is not equal to 0. That means 2 errors are occurred in the received code word. Then you have to compute the inverse of this matrix. To compute the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, this element will go here and this will come here, and these are unchanged. So because there is no negative sign in case of XOR addition or XOR computation. So M inverse you have computed, then lambda is equal to M inverse S. So this is M inverse. Now what is S? S is equal to SE plus 1 S2E. So number of errors are 2. So 2 plus 1, that means S3, and 2E means 4, so S4. Now you have to do the multiplication of this. S3, S4 value you can put here, which are already computed while solving the matrix elements of 3 by 3 matrix which is for 3 errors. So these are put here, and this is equal to lambda 2 lambda 1. So after solving this, you will get now how to do the multiplication. Alpha 7 into alpha 7 plus alpha 7 into 14. So here is the value, and alpha 7 into alpha 7 plus alpha 11 into alpha 14. So now again you have to use these values from this table and do the simplification, and you will get lambda 2 as alpha raised to 8 and lambda 1 as alpha raised to 11. Then lambda x is equal to 1 plus lambda 1x plus lambda 2x. So lambda x is equal to 1 plus alpha raised to 11x plus alpha raised to 8 x square. Now alpha raised to 11 is equal to alpha cube plus alpha square plus alpha. You have to write alpha raised to 11 in two terms. So alpha cube plus alpha raised to 5, because alpha square plus alpha is equal to alpha raised to 5. Now you have to express alpha raised to 11 such that you will get alpha raised to 8. So here lambda x is equal to, then alpha raised to 11 is alpha cube x plus alpha raised to 5x, and this is alpha raised to 8 x square. This 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So you have expressed alpha raised to 11 in terms of in two terms such that their power addition is equal to 8. And 1 plus alpha cube x, 1 plus alpha raised to 5x is common from here, so 1 plus alpha cube x. So two terms are 1 plus alpha raised to 5x, 1 plus alpha cube x. That means the errors occurred at position 5 and position 3. So Ex is equal to x raised to 5 x cube. So Cx is equal to Rx plus Ex plus Ex. Now Rx is equal to x raised to 5 plus x cube. So Cx is equal to x raised to 5 plus x cube plus x raised to 5 plus x cube. So that is total 0. That means correct code word is 0. So this is the brief idea or outline for solving the BCS decoding problems. Computation or calculations are not covered in this video. This video only gives you the brief or outline of the BCS decoding problems.